I like your wig.
Thank you. Do I look like handsome? Oh, yeah. How much do you pay for your gas and electric?
You're joking. You are joking me.
We've come to pay your bills for the year, my guy.
Hey, what's going on here?
Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds, and in this video, I'm going to be answering your property investment questions. But on this video, this is not going to be a regular Q&A Sunday, because I'm in a celebration mood, and I'm going to be giving gifts and all kinds of crazy surprises in this video. It's going to blow you away, and this is a celebration because we've just hit 250,000 subscribers! And honestly, it means the world to me. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. I think I'm probably the longest standing property YouTuber in the UK. I've been doing this now for 6 years. I've been full-time investing in property for 14 years and doing YouTube for 6. So I'm in a really good mood today. And I'll tell you something, some of you guys asking me questions and stuff, watch for the answers. Going to be some surprises coming. So let's see what we got this week. So how do you find a list of investors to sell your deals to? Number 1, social media. Here's a really cool tip about social media. If you're on Instagram, if you put something on your story, but you tag me in your story and you kind of make it, you kind of bait me, right? So you can say something on Instagram that's kind of gonna make me like it, but at the same time, you're also reaching out to investors. Maybe I reshare it to my 100,000 followers on Instagram, bang. So be clever on social media. Don't spam, add value. Also, go down to networking events. Networking events. When you're trying to find investors, when you go to networking events, rather than going out and going, here's my card, here's my card, here's my card, here's my card, what you should be doing is you should be saying, can I have your card, can I have your card? Collect your database. The bigger the list, the bigger your bank. Next, what would you do with £10,000? I'd put it into rent to rent. Is it worth rent to serviced accommodation for a studio flat? Is Brighton still a good location for rent to serviced accommodation? Yes, Brighton's banging. Must all HMOs have a communal area, or can you also let the living room out for more income? You need a communal area if the bedrooms are less than 100 square feet. If the bedrooms are 100 square feet or more, then you do not need a communal area. Bang. Next, when using investors' money for BRRR, what is the process for paying them back? Do you ever refinance to pay them back, or is it strictly buy the next property? Yeah, that's normally the way. Normally, buy a house, use someone else's money. Add value, refinance, and then upon the refinance, you pay them back. And you can structure this as a joint venture agreement, like a partnership, or you can do it as a straight loan agreement. What are your top tips at dealing with purchasing properties at auction? Purchasing properties at auction, make sure that you view the property, make sure you get a survey on the property, make sure that you study the legal pack, make sure that you work out the maximum that you can bid is and don't go a penny above it, and never get emotionally attached. Use your formulas, not your feelings. Next. What would you advise? I live in a council property and I have the right to buy. Bang! Congratulations. I get the full discount of £116,000, but not currently working. Are there any ways of getting around that to be able to get the mortgage? Yeah, you need to do whatever it freaking takes to get the mortgage. You need to speak to a mortgage broker, even if you have to go and get a job, go get some part-time work. Or maybe you have to move somebody into the property and put them on the AST for a year, and then, just buy it. If you've got the opportunity to buy £116,000 below the price, find a way to get it, use the equity as the deposit, and just find a way. That's your mission in life right now. Next, how do I become a compliant deal sourcer? You don't. You co-deal source your first deal, and then you use the profit to then get compliant. Really important. What is the best side hustle for teenagers? Don't. Side hustles are for losers. Don't get a side hustle. You need to study and understand business and set up a business. This whole concept of side hustle, if you're in a job and your job pays you quite well and you like your job, focus all of your time and attention on your job and build yourself up in your job and get, fine. And then use that money that you're making to invest. Or just leave your job and have a business. Side hustles are freaking for losers. All right, what is the quickest strategy to build my current buy-to-let portfolio from 4 properties to 50 in sole ownership? Don't Don't build 4 properties to 50 properties in sole ownership. Number 1, partner with people, joint venture, collaborate. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Secondly, I won't be trying to buy 50 houses. Every deal you do should be bigger than the last deal. So slowly stretch bigger and bigger and partner with people. That's my opinion. What are the best books on property? The best books on property. I'm glad you asked that question. I've got a whole pile of books here I'd recommend on property. Stick with these and you'll be fine. They're all written by the same author. They're all written by me. Okay. So we got The Secrets of Property Development, if you want to do property development. Buy low, rent high, if you want to buy cheap houses and rent them out as HMOs. Financial Freedom in 7 days, if you want to do rent-to-rent and deal sourcing. And also some biographies. There's 30 students in here that are financially free. Another 30 in here that are financially free, where you can actually see what other people are doing. Stick with those, you'll be just fine. Next, why do so many people still fail to succeed in property even after investing in courses and acquiring knowledge they need? I think maybe the reason, and some people fail even after reading the books and going on the courses, I think I would say it's because knowledge is only 25% of the journey. You can get all the knowledge, read all the books, and you're still 25% of the way there. Because you also need other stuff. You need belief. You need courage. You need the ability to take action. You need to have a good team. There's lots of other stuff besides knowledge. But what I would say is if you persist and have knowledge and take action and keep believing, you will eventually win. Okay, you know what? Here's a surprise right now. I'm going to stop taking questions right now because here's the thing. In order to celebrate my 250,000 subscribers, I did say I was going to do a raffle, and for all of my subscribers, there was going to be a random raffle pulled, and somebody that spent £1, that's all you have to invest, £1 on attending my training programs, was going to be entered into the raffle if they were a subscriber of the channel. And I said that the winner of the raffle was going to get their utility bills paid off for the rest of 2022. I got a special mixer on my phone, which is this little app which selects everybody into a raffle. You can press submit and it randomly picks somebody as the winner. And I'm going to do that right now live on this Q&A Sunday video. And then whoever it is going to get their utility bills paid off for the rest of the year. It might be you, who knows? And I'm not just going to pull it and then ring them up. I'm going to pull it and then I'm going to arrange to go to their house. Okay? So I'm just going to turn up at their house. So let's see. Here we go. And we've got Daniel Greenwood. Daniel, I hope you're watching this. Daniel, I'm coming to your house. Daniel lives in Telford, which is from here. Let me do a route planner. From here, 2 hours and 17 minutes. Should we go?
Let's go.
Daniel, I'm coming to your house, bro. Utilities paid off for the rest of 2022. Let's go.
This is how we do it.
This is your cup of tea. Oh, we need to get some money for the dude. We'll just go to the cash point on the way.
Perfect.
Let's go. Have I got everything? I haven't got my car keys. Right, let's go. Solo B, yeah. You need to come with me. Come on, let's go.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty.
I need to be disguised. Trying to find out how much these wigs are. You get dressed up.
What about one of these?
Yeah. Oh, these could be better. Oh, there we go.
Should we put it on, Samuel? Please put that on.
Is this £30? £30. Oh yeah, the £30 is good. I'm ready to pay. Is there a mirror? Oh yes.
Yeah.
I love that so much. Do you have glasses?
Like big glasses?
Do you have glasses? Let me try.
Sorry. $5.99. $4.99.
This is too many.
Yeah, defo.
That needs to come off. I don't think that's the one.
Okay.
I think the mascara is better.
I like your wig.
Thank you. Do I look like handsome? Thank you.
Oh, you look pretty.
You're pretty. Bang.
Ma'am, at least straight up. You know what some guys come from? It's not for us, it's for a mate. I'm like, yeah, right.
Yeah. This is
straight
for
up.
me.
Thank you.
Let's get this on. Mascara.
Fast, I'm coming in fast. First place, you coming in last. I'm hitting that gas. I'm hitting that ass.
This kid's not in. Oh man, we're done. He's gonna recognize me. Let's go. I need glasses.
I put it in, I put it in, I put it in motion. I put it in, I put it in, I put it in motion. Loud, the motion, we causing a commotion.
Never a dull day when you're Samuel Leeds.
You're one dimension. I'm a monkey wrench and I can flunk detention. I love contention, so welcome to the gun convention. Muscles
The greatest in the world, greatest in the world, greatest in the world. I might be best ever do it, best ever do it, best ever do it. I feel like the greatest. Woke up to honky sounding like me. Never be as good, never be as good. White Adidas, white t-shirts, but I'm the greatest.
Time to get some glasses from my Sainsbury's. I got a couple of mentions. Still haven't got any manners. They're asking me what the happened to hip hop. I said I don't have any answers.
Yeah.
You should never tell me that I'm not I sound like a book and record every time I break a record. Nah, man, I'm done. I'll leave that to them show you.
Yeah.
Right.
Stick to property.
Yeah. And now glasses.
Glasses.
Yeah.
Yes.
How much are these bad boys? 18 quid for some reading glasses. £7.50. Alright, mate. How much do you pay for your gas and electricity?
800 cash, that's a hell of a deal. I'm headed downtown, cruising through the alley, tiptoeing in the street like ballet. Pulled up, moped to the valet. White walls on the wheels like mayonnaise. Dope.
Right. Is number 10? Number 10. Oh, thank you, mate. Hold on, mate. Hello? Hello, mate. Hello. How much do you pay for your gas and electric?
You're joking. You are joking me. I just pay electric.
How much do you pay for your electric?
About 250 quid a month.
Oh, man, jeez. Well, we've come to pay your bills for the year, my guy.
What's going on here?
I don't think you recognise me through my disguise, man.
Of course, I recognise your voice. Hey.
This is Gary.
No way.
What's
to
good,
see you.
brother?
Good to see
Good to see you. Can we pop in? Hello. How are you? Don't worry. Well, we had a raffle, and it was basically the winner of the raffle was going to win a prize which would pay utilities for the year. So we got £1,200 cash. So that's for you, my brother. Congratulations. That's what happens. That's what happens when you subscribe to the channel and go along. That's what happens, man. So congrats.
Wow. How are you feeling?
Yeah, good. I'm kind of in disbelief
Good.
on the hair, mate.
Dude, we just picked this up, man, from a wig shop. He saw straight through it, though. He was just like, oh my gosh, Samuel. And I was like, oh man, that was £20 badly spent.
Thanks very much. Good to see Sam.
1,200 big ones, man.
Look, I don't have to sell my guitars.
You got guitar? You play guitar?
Yeah, I'm a musician.
Oh, nice, bro. That's cool.
Oh,
Can
I'm a community musician.
I have a look at it? I love the acoustic guitar.
Yeah,
I can play a few strings myself. Can I play a few strings?
You know what,
I'll still do any tunes. That's about all I got, man. Those three, if you can do those 3 chords, you can play pretty much anything, baby. And like a flood, His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace. I love this guitar.